Yeah, let's talk about pipelines. Yeah, we have introduction today. So, are long pipelines frustrating us? Yes, usually. Is it the biggest problem? Let's see. So, always context matters. So, we can give advices, but I'm not a consultant, so it depends. And but we try to generalize some. Okay, some make some rules from this. So slow software, like, it's not the best example for us. So we see how things work in slow, and it doesn't inspire us to be better. Sometimes. So we can follow some principles. Okay, we can make things simpler, and we can try to make a sustainable, fast feedback loop to the client. And okay, let's see we'll go with this. So our agenda is, okay, how to write and support pipelines, and how we can, for example, speed up long regression tests, how it can hit us, and how to make PRs flow more smoothly. So writing and supporting pipelines. So we write YAML in pipelines. But who loves writing the YAML in pipelines? Please, heads up. Okay. I don't see. It's dark. Come to me after this. But it's optional. So we can use our favorite script language for this, and not a YAML. So all our scripts could be more local, testable, and debuggable. Okay, we have example today about makefiles. Okay, run more example about makefiles. So something formatting code, something linting code, and yeah, we can run it locally. Okay, something still will be in pipeline. So it's some Docker registries, connections, Kubernetes, and yes, caching. It's very useful feature, but good thing to keep it as less as possible. And in build job, okay, we are making checkout, we are making run. It's okay, make lint, make test, and okay, actually the same. We can run locally and test it's working, and without 31st attempt of fixing this. And we can build image. Okay, we can pass some variables. We can take from GitHub or Git status and then export it. And then we can deploy using these variables. So just variables from outside passing to our make scripts, bash scripts, choose whatever you want, Python scripts. Who loves what? Okay, done. Then, okay, speeding up long regression tests, because longer pipelines and bigger batches of code changes, and actually it's longer feedback loop and bigger pull requests to review. So, okay, what can we do? Okay, let's test things that give us really quality, which eliminates difference between what we want. So, okay, we don't need end-to-end tests every time. Let's put something tests. And okay, parallelized tests. Simpler and the easiest solution. And we can trigger only tests, okay, affected by the change. If we choose some Git stuff, and okay, it's faster. So, okay, done, optimized. The really hard things for us, okay, pipeline may be 20 minutes, but then it's hours of waiting for pull requests. Maybe it hits us really more. Okay, what can we try? Okay, maybe for some small things, we can try asynchronous and non-blocking post-commit review. If it's not breaking production, we are fine. And synchronous code review for bigger changes. What we can do also, it's design review before our first line of code. So we gathering together and decided what to do. After review, we just check in, it's fine. Or we can also check with QA. So wrap up, make things simpler, like testable, runnable locally, and sustainable fast feedback loop. So think local optimization on pipelines can hit us. We need global picture what we are doing. Thank you. It's slide deck on the slides on QR code. Yeah.